Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this Motorola device. Start by opening settings and choosing security. Now tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, you need to select setup at the bottom right corner with the disclaimer and click on next at the bottom right corner as well. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you need to select next over here at the bottom right corner and tap on done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!